let me start by saying a big thank you. Thank you for trusting us. Thank you for following us, especially with a clinical condition that had to be addressed. Yes, the experiences at Leelavati Hospital and a degree that holds Masters in Clinical Nutrition definitely has helped in making sure that you are doing much better than what you started off with us at. However, you are almost at the tail end of your program with a very few sessions remaining, and your mentor and I both have a lot to share with you yet. There is so much to be taught, there is so much to be told, and the diet phases that you have been doing now are being very basic. So what do? Well, we have Weight Loss Plus Advanced for you. What happens in Weight Loss Plus Advanced? In this, your condition is now going to be normalized and permanently. Let's ensure whatever the disorder, we are removing it from the root and the core. Let's get rid of any medications that you are on managing the disorder. How is this possible? Well, what we did now was phase 1. In phase 1, the entire efforts here are on first of all controlling your weight if you're overweight, but at the same time your condition, be it diabetes, thyroid, cholesterol, high lipids or a kidney disorder, we have managed all parameters at a very basic level. These parameters, however, have been doing much better, but at the same time we need to ensure we keep it at bay permanently. What are we doing for this? We are going to make sure that you now in Weight Loss Plus Advanced, that is a program devised by senior mentors and me, contains diet charts that now will tell you what foods are high in sugar, what foods affect your thyroid, what are iodine rich foods, what are foods that are going to contain what we call as immune boosters, what we call as suppressants, what we call as foods rich in certain minerals like chromium, which helps diabetes. Some things that a thyroid case should now understand scientifically. We also explain purposes of these diets, and that is how you will be able to maintain your weight, your condition for life. So let's not stop here. Let's ensure your condition is completely managed and taken care of. You are aware scientifically of many principles that you will need to know to be able to manage your condition better. I will definitely be looking forward to you doing the advanced version before you say a bye to us. Well, is the advanced version of the program more expensive? No. The extreme R&D done just for you is going to be available to you at rates far lower than what you enrolled in Balanced Nutrition for. So make sure you are not leaving us and completing what we call as an entire weight loss and condition management program, wherein you don't have to see us again, but just keep visiting the website, my account section, and very soon an app. Thank you.